helping me clean my Longchamps today for Formula Drift because I will be displaying the car at the NRG booth. So I need these wheels to look nice and pretty. I don't think I've ever cleaned them. Like the entire time I've had them, I've rinsed them. I told you that I tried putting degreaser on them.
Oh yeah, that's a big no-no.
And I know. Now I know. Now I know that, but I didn't know that, so I stained the wheels. This was a long time ago. So after that, I just never again, huh? I never bothered. I just put water on them. So I'm really excited to see what they look like.
This is just initially I'm going to start off with just to test out if there's any clear coat on the actual lids or if they're actually even chromed whatsoever. So
okay.
To find out, you would actually grab a little bit of compound and then put it in an area where no one's really going to see too often.
Yeah.
So you can start rubbing a little bit, and if you actually start seeing oxidizing and turning black like that, then you know it's actually there's no clear coat on it whatsoever, and it's actually starting to polish it. And then so I would do that for the actual lip and the base.
So what if there was clear on it?
So if there was actually clear on it, when I'm rubbing it, the compound would actually stay white on the rack the whole time, and I would know it's not penetrating through the actual clear coat to actual hit the metal and polish it out.
Yeah.
Pretty much I would either be like doing nothing the whole time, or you have to remove the clear coat beforehand to even polish them.
Right now I'm just wiping them down. Well, Nene works on polishing the other one. It just has soap and water. They are really dirty. Look how grimy they are. Wow, they're so bad.
Wow. That's real nice, like.
They're like brand new.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. We need to compare it to one of the other ones.
Yeah, so what is the lesson you learned from this? Don't ever what on aluminum wheels?
Hey, don't ever put degreaser on them. These look yellow because they're so bad.
So cool. Dude, the camera does not do it justice.
No, you can see it though. So right now I'm just cleaning it with Mother's, just wiping it down, and you can already see a huge difference. Obviously it's not removing like the water spots and the spots where I put degreaser that stained it, but it's already making a huge difference. Then he's gonna go back in with the buffer, and that's where he gets rid of the scuffs and any other watermarks. I'm gonna try to also start cleaning them now when I wash my car, because usually I don't do anything to the wheels. I just rinse them with water, soap, wash the car and let it go. But yeah, these wheels needed a lot of love, so I'm gonna try to maintain them now. That way they don't build up so much nasty gunk all around it.
Besides Mother's, there's actually another brand too that actually works. I personally think it works very, very well. This one's called Blue Magic. Blue Magic is amazing. There we go.
Okay, cool. Blue Magic.
The focus. There we go.
Yeah.
This stuff is amazing.
What's the difference between that and Mother's?
They're both aluminum polishes. They're just different companies. I personally used this before, and I love the way this one comes out, and also it doesn't leave like white residue behind because this is actual blue material.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to wipe off, and if it gets stuck in between the cracks, it doesn't show obviously like any white.
Like the overcast stuff. For now.
Which one will win? We'll find out. Oh God.
So Nene wanted me to use both of these products, and I tested both of them out, the Mothers and the Blue Magic, and I think I like the Blue Magic more. They both do a really good job, but this one's just, I feel like, a slightly stronger. As you can see, he's used it all up, so I'm gonna have to buy him another one. But if you guys are interested in making your wheels look nice, you can go to the Advanced Auto Parts website. I have the app. I've downloaded the app on my phone, and they actually sell both of these, which is awesome. It worked out. I already have both of them in my cart. I actually have a discount code, which is really exciting. So if you enter my name where it says promo code, you get a small discount. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but for example, for me, it shows me CarQuest to be able to pick up in store, because currently Advanced Auto Parts is only in the East Coast. They're actually moving out to the West Coast, which is exciting. They're a parent company of CarQuest, which is why CarQuest shows on the app. So if you guys need anything, you can order it here. You can pick up at CarQuest. It'll help me out if you use my discount code. So thank you to Advanced Auto Parts for sponsoring this video, and let's continue. I think I'm gonna upkeep them every time I wash the car now.
You say that, but you're like you know what? It could wait. I can wash the dishes another day.
No, I'm gonna order my own bottle right now, and I'm gonna have one of the. I think I'm gonna order the blue one.
Yeah, the blue is better.
I liked both of them, but I think the blue one I liked it a little more.
Yeah, same here.
But Nene is finally done after what, a couple of hours?
Like 2.
Like 2 hours, and they look amazing. Holy moly! Obviously, if the tire wasn't on them, it would have been even easier for him to do them, but because of the valve stem cap and the nuts around, you know, the wheels. But they looked awful when I got here. They looked yellow, and now they are glistening. They are glistening, huh? Look at them, boys.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely enjoyed that.
Thank you. Now, Nene does not do this for a living. He's like me. He likes to look on YouTube, have fun, and he also has Hot Boy wheels, right?
Yeah.
So
like this.
he practiced on his, and I was like, yo, if you could ever practice on mine, that would be awesome. And he practiced today, and they look sick. And I literally just asked him like a couple of days ago, so it's very last minute because of the event. I have to have the car there on Thursday at Irwindale Speedway, so nice. You're the best. And thank you again to Street Faction for letting us use their facility while they are closed. They are not open right now, that's why no one is here, but they let us use the space, so shout out to them. Thank you to them. Thanks for watching.